Qwella Wife, kids, career, net worth and future exposed. Yo, what's up? Welcome to a raw deep dive into the life of Qwella, Jamaica's controversial dancehall star. Before we start, please smash that subscribe button and hit the bell to stay locked in for more artist profiles. Today, we're uncovering Qwella's personal life, career, net worth, and what's next amid his recent drama. Let's dive in. Qwella, born in Jamaica, is a rising dancehall artist known for his bold, street-infused tracks. Details about his early life, including birthdate or real name, are scarce, as he maintains a low profile outside his music. Growing up in Jamaica's vibrant music scene, Qwella's gritty lyrics reflect his roots, drawing comparisons to artists like Roger Wilde and Nigeria. His personal life is largely private. As of 2025, there's no public information confirming a wife or children. Qwella focuses on his music and social media presence, with no mentions of a partner or family on his platforms, like Instagram @QwellaMusic, which he deactivated following recent controversy. This secrecy keeps fans speculating about his off-stage life. Qwella's career gained traction with singles like Pretty Gill, Bad Ute, and Bougie Bitch, featuring Joshie and Briscoe, blending trap and modern dancehall. His collaborations, such as Self-Made with Pablo YG and Money Magnet with Eddie G. Bomba, showcase his sultry vocals and street cred, earning 31K monthly Spotify listeners. However, a July 2025 incident has overshadowed his rise. Qwella allegedly assaulted a video vixen, star_doll5, during a music video shoot in Kingston, reportedly sparked by a dispute over a changing room. Videos and photos showing bruises on the vixen's face went viral, with dancers like @Brats_Miami and @It_Quanda condemning his actions. Qwella allegedly offered hush money, and the victim reported the incident to police, who are investigating, though no formal charges are confirmed. He deactivated his Instagram amid backlash. His net worth is estimated at $100,000 to $500,000, based on music streams, performances, and potential bookings. YouTube and Spotify earnings contribute modestly, but the recent scandal may impact future deals. Looking ahead, Qwella's future hinges on resolving this controversy. Fans demand accountability, but some defend him, citing more to the story. He may release new music to rebuild his image or address the incident publicly. Continued collaborations or festival appearances, like New Rules, could sustain his career if legal issues are cleared. That's Qwella's story. What's your take on his drama? Drop it in the comments, and subscribe for more.